If I would have known about ASTEC sooner, I could have saved a lot of money.
Building owners and facilities managers faced with persistent roof problems at first will try spot repairs and hope for the best. And when that doesn't work, the problems get worse. They may assume they need to replace the whole roof. We have a time-proven solution that costs significantly less than roof replacement and doesn't cut into your business operations or productivity. ASTEC Re-Ply Roofing Systems. Over the past 30 years, our ASTEC Re-Ply systems have restored hundreds of millions of square feet of metal, single-ply, and asphalt roofs for a wide variety of business customers. Our experience indicates 4 key components to a successful roofing project: premium products, thorough evaluations, exacting specifications, and knowledgeable applicators. Neglect any of those 4 pieces and the project will not be a success. All ASTEC projects begin with a thorough roof survey by an ASTEC authorized contractor who will come to your location at no cost to determine if your roof qualifies for the Re-Ply system. If the roof qualifies, we start by finding and making all necessary repairs that need to be done prior to the application of the ASTEC system. Following a thorough prep, our authorized applicators apply the Re-Ply system in multiple layers to exacting specifications, creating a seamless roofing membrane across your existing roof, effectively restoring it to better than new performance. In fact, Re-Ply is so reliable, we offer a unique 10 or 15-year renewable warranty on material and labor. At the end of the initial warranty term, an authorized contractor can re-qualify your roof and renew the warranty for an additional 10 years. So when is the right time to call ASTEC? Right now. Smart roofing technology that will save you time, money, and provide a long-term sustainable solution. Call or email today and schedule a free roof survey.